Jai Hind, dear students. This is our English class. Today I am going to start word meaning and question answer of Unit 2 Bird Talk. Let's move on. Word meaning. First word is beetles, means name of an insect. Second word is sitting, means to be in a particular position. Third word is wires, means thin flexible rod. Fourth word is funny, means causing laughter. Now let's move on question answer. Question 1. Name the two birds in the poem. Answer. The two birds are Robin and Jay. Question 2. What are the three things that people can't do? Answer. The three things that people can't do. 1. They can't fly. 2. They can't sit on wires. 3. They can't get feathers and wings. Question 3. What do birds think of people? Answer. Birds think that people are very funny. Thank you. Have a good day.